Hey everybody, this is Tara from Pocket Productions, and here is my new butterfly folio. As you can see, we got 4 main pages to print, and then we have different background papers. We've got 3 different background papers in the kit. And so once you get everything printed, the next thing is to go ahead and cut out all of the pieces. Once all the pieces are cut out, you can go ahead and go around each one either with a pen or with a stamp. And if you want to go ahead and clean up, you don't have to. But here are all the pieces that are cut out. We've got notes, we've got pocket pieces, we've got all little ephemera and tags. And what we're going to do here is we're going to score along these lines on the outer folio and just go ahead and bend those up so we have our folio ready to start putting in some pockets in a moment. Alright, for all the tags, we're just going to go ahead and punch a hole in them, and then you can put some strings on. Or if you don't want to do that, you can leave the tags just as they are too. Alright, so we have a little covered paper clip, and that's what these 2 pieces are for. And this is kind of I think it's a jumbo or a large. I just picked a scrap piece of paper, and I made sure that the pattern side was on the inside. And go ahead and just put your paper clip over that, and as you can see, you can separate it. And then cover each of these cover pieces with glue, and I'm just going to place them over the paper clip, and they're going to hang off the edge a little bit. That way it gives you a place that you can line them up. Anyway, this is the second piece. Again, cover with glue, line it up, and then just go ahead and pin that puppy down and set it aside to dry. And it's going to take a couple hours. Alright, while that's drying, we're going to go ahead and decide where we're going to want our pockets. Now, there's a lot of ways one can arrange the pockets in this folio. It's got plenty of pocket options. So those are just a few ideas. This is kind of what I ended up deciding to go with. So this can be a tuck or it can be a pocket. And I went ahead and I made it into a pocket on my version that I did here. And then we're doing some pockets, and there we go. We got them all in there. We're going to go ahead and let that sit and dry. Alright, it's all dried up now, and we're going to go ahead and start putting in pieces and populating it. So here we go. Here is the finished product. I went ahead and I put a little tie. If you wanted to close it with the covered paper clip, you could do that too. But here we go. Here's a look. And there's the back side. So, as you can see, there's plenty of spots, and there's all kinds of little note cards, tags, little bits of stuff that you can go ahead and write on. And of course, you know, if you have a butterfly themed journal, you can not just even, you know, use these all in the folio, but you can use them in the journal as well. There's the paper clip. We got some more note cards, a little ticket there for a butterfly show, and there you are. I thought it was kind of cool. I have my little tag just clipped on the outside part here. So that is the butterfly folio. I hope you enjoy working on this, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget you can get this on my Ko-Fi shop, link in the description. Bye!